DJT stock analysis. Wednesday and onward, is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. Trump Media stock is still down. I mean, what can you guess it? You know, 3.71% down. And when I'm looking at it, it's just hypothetically from a weekly chart, we're still kind of coming from these lows here. So even if the price still pulls down and gives me like a daily double break, it's something that I'd still take higher. Obviously should be aware of the volume behind it and stuff like that, but you know, the matter of fact is that I'm still gonna keep following the strategy that I've refined, that I've tested for 26,000 videos, you know. And if you want to learn it, check the first link in the comments. All reviews are 5 stars. And so far right now with DJT, all I'm gonna do is simply wait. I mean, I wouldn't try and force anything, honestly. So I mean, yeah, DWAC, let's go. But for right now, I'm gonna wait, right? So if you want to learn the strategy, check the first link in the comments. See you in the next one.